add some hair to our little girl. When I was at Dollar Tree the other day, I was in the kids section, and they have in the dress up section for the girls with all the fairy wings and stuff, they have these princess hair pieces. They're only $1. And I'm like, oh, that would make the perfect, like, see the ponytail. You could even just zip tie this right to the board and just give her a ponytail or 2 braids if you want. So you get 2 of them. So you would buy 2 of these. This is like a blonde color. They had all different colors, but I liked the blonde. Now I'm going to give her a full head of hair, and then I'll decide later if I want to braid it or just put it in a ponytail or whatever. So I'm going to try and take this out of packaging. It's like, what the heck? It doesn't want to come out of the packaging. Good gosh. Scissors. There we go. Wow. Maybe it's kid proof. So it comes out like this, and it's got a headband. Even I would save this. This is really cute. This would be like really cute on an angel or something. But I'm going to cut. I'm going to have 2. I have 2 of these, and I'm going to cut them into 4 pieces of 4. So you need 2 of these headband things from the Dollar Tree. Okay. So it does get knotted quite easily. So just have it hanging, and I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. So I'm just going to grab the top here and cut it right off the headband. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half. Just like that, so the 2 ends at the bottom are meeting. And I'm going to put this folded piece into a preloaded closed zip tie. Just like that. I'll put a little bit of glue, hopefully that won't burn. There we go. So I'm going to glue it, but I'll glue it when I'm finished the whole thing. So I'm going to cut another piece off. So we're about halfway around this headband. I never thought I needed to be a hairdresser for making wreaths. So again, I folded it over. I'm going to put it into the zip tie. Just like that. Okay, and we'll cut another one. So we have a half of the hair left. I'm gonna have to put more zip ties in. Alrighty. Actually looks like my hair. It really does. Alright, we'll put a couple more zip ties, and I am using zip ties between each set of holes as well. And I'm on row 5. I might have to do the outside row hole to the outside of the board. I'm not sure. Alrighty, we got one more piece. And the other headband I've already pre-cut, and I just folded them over and put little elastics in them. So I could just put them right in. guess just first get it in there, and then we can figure out the sizing and then glue it. So these ones have little elastics around them already. So this is just 2 of those princess headbands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have one more. Okay, let's see if that's enough. Put this one down, pull this one down, pull this one down, pull that one down to make sure. It really does look like my hair. Okay, I'm going to cut these off. And I still... Okay, so we're going to put zip ties on the outside hole to around the board. And we're going to put 2 more pieces. And that will just cover the side of the board with hair. So we don't want to see any board. So again, put your hair in there, zip it up, adjust, and do it tight. Same thing with the other one. Zip it up, adjust, and tighten. Okay. And now you want to put glue all the way across. So what you're going to do is glue, 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 all the way across. So it's going across the hair onto the board, so the hair will stay in. You could put some underneath on the board for the side ones. Okay. And now we got to put the hat on. This is her hat, the straw hat. I did put 2 holes on either side with the meat thermometer. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them on row 4, these 2 holes. So I'm going to go up and make sure your bow is facing down through the hole. Actually, you could probably just take the zip tie out and put it, get it, both of them through your holes. Just like, there's one. Make sure the flat side is facing up towards the ceiling so that when you go to zip tie them, they're the right way. And now with this tail zip tie head, I'm going to go down this hole, and the tail, I'm going to go down this hole. So on row 4, the head's going to go down there, the tail's going to go down there, and the same with the other side. Head down there, tail down there. The first one I put in, going down through those 2 holes. I'm just going to do it up till I hear a zip. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other side. If you do it up tight right away, you won't be able to get the other side in. Just go down the hole with the tail, and there with the head, and I'll flip it over and you'll be able to see. Oh, zip tail. My zip tie's backwards. Twist it. There we go. Okay. Stand it up. Oh, she's adorable. Okay, I'm going to make sure all her hair is out and not stuck underneath the hat. And then we'll tighten her hat up. There we go. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So now I'm going to tighten her hat up a little bit on both sides. Oh, that one was too tight. I didn't want it too tight. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, we'll cut the zip ties off the back of it. Bring the zip tie head over to the hole, and then this zip tie over to the hole. Oh, and before you put your hat on, put a zip tie that in between the row 1 for the hanging holes. Make sure you put that on before your hat, because, well, you still can lift your hat up, but. And there we go. That is your really cute country girl with Dollar Tree hair. Let's see. And she actually looks like me with my hair. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you around. Bye, guys.